What's up guys, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be doing the fuel filter swap on the 540i E34. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time because I've had issues with it. So usually what happens after a while, the hoses will start kind of breaking because I didn't buy the actual replacements that are like the elbow. It usually cracks eventually because of the bends, but stay tuned because I will be doing quite a few upgrades on the E34 for the summer, for the E39 and the Mustang as well. With that being said, let's get started. All right, so before you get started, make sure you open the tank and you go ahead and open the top so that way the system can vent, and also just turn the key forward and that way the system will basically, you know, empty out some of the fuel that's in the filter. And I always have issues with this T system that it has with the fuel filter. This is an old fuel filter, so I bought a new one, a Bosch, same brand as this one right here. I'm pretty certain that this has been replaced before because it says Bosch, unless they came OEM. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But anyway, we have the replacement, so all I'm going to do is chop that off. I'm going to install the new filter and run the line to that right there. Remember, it's direction oriented, so the arrow is pointing this way on this filter, so our replacement filter has to have the arrow pointing that way as well. This is the rear of the E34, that's the front. Okay, so this is the old filter, it's a double filter. All right, here is our new Bosch fuel filter. Flow goes that way, so let's go ahead and install it. So these clamps right here for me, they were 5mm. The ones that I had over here were 8mm. So it really is going to depend what you have. These I didn't even bother to try to break them. I just, like I said, I just cut here. All right, so what I went to go ahead and do is I'm putting the Bosch filter and I put it in here. I took off these rubbers that the other filters had, and I'm going to test it out like this and see if it will be compatible, and if this works out, then that's going to be great for me. All right, so under here I'm connecting this hose right here. We got the flow going. You see right here, this is where I might have an issue later on down the road. I'm going to have to buy a hose that has a good 90-degree angle. If not, I might have the same issue, but I'm going to order that. But for now, I'm going to try this out. Everything looks good. I buttoned this up. I put this brace back on here, or whatever you want to call it. Mind you, I'm not a mechanic and I don't have any certification except for a YouTube certification. So let's go ahead and try it. All right, so let's go ahead. Moment of truth. On. There you go. It's wanting to turn on. It's getting there. Check for any leaks. No leaks, no fuel leaks. Nice, very nice. Let's check out the front over there. It's good. Yep, everything's good. Very nice. I'm very happy about this. It actually worked. YouTube mechanics actually paid off. All right guys, so car is running. All good. So everything looking good so far. Just taking it out for a test drive around the block in case I stay stranded. So I do want to mention that swapping from the doubles to the single has made a difference. Now I'm not sure if it's just my butt dyno, but the car does feel a little faster, a little more quicker to respond. I'm not sure if it's because of just a single filter, and basically it just feels a little quicker off the line. But yeah, it worked great. I'm very happy. It's super straightforward. I was still able to use the same bracket that was holding these two right here. With that being said guys, I'll see you all in the next one.